Our next word is pictograph. Pictograph. And when you open the card, you see something like this. It's a little bit blurry as I'm enlarging it. I'm sorry about that. A pictograph. Graph. Whoa, sorry about that. Not sure what happened there. Pictograph. And this one, I think, I'll tell you what, let me just go ahead and do the sound spelling. That's a schwa, O, graph. Pictograph. A pictograph is a type of graph that gives information in picture form. And here's another piece of information that you really have to know about pictographs. A key tells what one picture symbol, let's say picture/symbol, means. So with this type of graph, you must look for the key. And I didn't give you a key in this particular picture because I didn't want you to think that the key was the graph. But the key is very important. And I'll show you what I mean up here in the characteristics. But let's do the parts of speech. The part of speech, a type of graph, that is a thing. This is a noun. It's something that I can draw, something that I can look at. It is a noun. I really can't think of a synonym, antonym, or homophone that works for our purpose here. So I'm going to leave those blank. And before I show you about the key, let's break down this word. Pictograph. This is not a syllable break. This is actually a root and suffix, prefix kind of break. We've already seen graph. I can't remember where we saw it, but it was somewhere in this unit. We saw this root. Remember, graph is something I can see. It's a picture. Oh, I remember where it was. It was in the word biography. In that case, it was something written down or something in writing. So graph can mean something written or a picture. And I'm getting myself confused. How about writing? Something in writing. Picto, as you might guess, just from the way it sounds, when I say picture, sorry, I messed it up. When I say picto, what do you think of? Possibly a picture. So a pictograph is a picture, something in writing. Let me show you an example of a symbol. And I can't draw an apple. I wish I could. That's awfully blurry, or I would just take a picture of it. So let me just use a circle here. Okay, let's suppose that I tell you that that circle is equal to 10, let's just say oranges. So this would be part of the key. This is not part of the graph itself, it's part of the key. So if that symbol is worth 10, let me try this. If I can make a copy of it, I need it to be exactly, there we go. So if that symbol is worth 10, what would this symbol be worth? Bear with me, just watch what I'm doing here. If that is 10, this is about half of 10. It's half of the symbol, it's half of the 10. So this would represent 5 oranges. And again, this would be part of the key. So you really have to understand what the key is saying to you to be able to read the graph. Without a key, the pictograph is really not going to tell you anything. Now, when we do our math exercise, we're going to use this actual pictograph. I will give you the key, and we will be able to do some math using those symbols. But the pictograph is a type of graph that gives us information in picture form. Pictograph.